Welcome Speak Easy English. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
Oh, that's nice.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Do you like my country?
Yes, I love it.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Oh really? I'm a teacher.
Do you like teaching?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you study every day?
Yes, I study in the evening.
That's good. What do you study?
I study English.
Wow, that's great.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop songs.
Who is your favorite singer?
I like Arijit Singh.
Are you hungry?
A little bit.
Hey, let's eat something.
Good idea.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I eat rice every day.
What about fruits?
I like mangoes.
I like bananas. What is your hobby?
I like reading books.
That's great. I like playing football.
Do you play every day?
No, only on weekends. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Where did you go last time?
I went to Cox's Bazar.
Wow, the sea beach.
Yes, it was beautiful. What time is it now?
It's 3 o'clock. Oh, I have to go.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.